In peace I will both lie down and sleep. For you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety. May the Lord give strength to His people. May the Lord bless His people with peace. I sought the Lord, and He answered me, and delivered me from all my fears. You keep Him in perfect